58 minutes. So many people on the road. I'm really tired. Gibbo's probably needing a coffee. He's getting a little bit hungry. What would you call it if somebody needs coffee and they get grumpy? Like when I need food, it's called hangry, because I get angry and hangry. Hungry and angry together is angry. Hungry. Kangry. Congry? Cough? I don't know. Let us know in the comments what you think you would call a coffee anger. We'll see what we can come up with as the trip goes on. We still have 8 hours and 23 minutes to go of driving. Kafanga. I don't know about that one. Let us know what you guys think. Anyway, we're just driving, so we'll bring it back if anything exciting happens or we think of anything else to add in. Beautiful sunrise is ruined by the trucks. I am never up early enough to see this, so we'll take it in with us. Sorry about the view at the moment, but we're about to see very lovely. Nope, we're not. There's always someone in the way. There we go. How beautiful. I'm bored. We still have so many hours. We've been driving for 2.5 hours. Gibbo just went off the road a little bit. So I think it's time that I drive. We did stop for Macca's. I didn't film that. That was an ordeal because I just wanted some muffins with bacon, no egg, no cheese, because otherwise my stomach will be hurt.
So you wanted 2 muffins?
So I just wanted 2 muffins with bacon, and Gibbo seems to think that maybe that was going to be like 2 chocolate muffins.
And some bacon.
And some bacon. This guy, does he even know what Macca's is? Like,
If you asked for 2 muffins, you're probably going to get 2 muffins.
Anyway, I'm bored. It's time that I drive. So
Get out.
get out! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out!
Okay.
Yay! About damn time. Cars to the left of me, trucks to the right, here I am. We're swapping! How do you feel about that?
Yeah. Can't win them all.
This rest stop is also really busy. There's never any cars here. Yes! Why am I so happy? Because Gibbo has finally let me drive after almost 3 hours of being on the road.
How long until the next driver change?
Depends.
Is this going to be a short stint?
It depends. Maybe I'll drive until lunchtime.
Oh, I'm hungry now.
Okay. So I've been driving for
Too many
hours.
Too many hours.
Maybe 2.5 hours. And I'm a little bit tired.
We're probably 5 minutes from the Victoria border, New South Wales Victoria border.
Yeah, boy. So we're gonna have a stop. We're gonna get some lunch out of the back in the fridge, and
We're gonna stop somewhere different. I just plugged something into the map that was like looked like it was near the river, near the Murray River, a little park area. So we'll see what it's like.
yeah,
So we'll bring it back when we find something,
yeah, we're 9 minutes away.
or when we're crossing the border.
Oh yeah, we're not far from the border. We've gone past the Aubrey sign almost. So
Bring you back soon. Right, we are crossing the Murray River right now.
yay! Welcome to Victoria.
We're now in Victoria and trying to find somewhere to go and have lunch in Wodonga, which is on the Victorian side of the border.
Yeah.
Listening to it for a minute.
Turn right onto Church Street, then the next stop is on your left.
I'll just go straight through.
Ah, it's a lake.
Yeah, so this is where I kind of thought somewhere around here. There's got to be toilets down here
I think so.
in this little area. Yeah, over there. So we're in an area. We'll just stop wherever we can. Pointing to the car. Oh, she was telling us there was a car spot. Did you thank her?
No.
Follow the sun. Okay. So,
Here we are.
found a new spot to stop.
Yeah.
Check it out. Alright, so we just had lunch over by the lake there. Had some nice salad sandwiches with chicken schnitzel in them. In the sun. Beautiful weather. Good to be outdoors. Tarn's just been playing with her new Canon camera. I think it's a Canon. Yeah, so we're about to hop back in the car and we'll ping you back when we're on the road.
I tried to go live on our TikTok account while we were doing a road trip, and I have accidentally got our account suspended. So no road trip live. Whoops. So we're going through this little town called Violet Town, and in Violet Town there is no violet anywhere. So
Gibbo's really disappointed.
oh yeah, stop. Sorry about that. No, I accidentally had to drop my phone because it's Good Friday appeal today, and
Which is a Victorian thing.
yes, which is Victorian thing.
We don't have it in.
So we have been talking about it this whole trip about if we need to donate somewhere. They have like donation people at certain spots, and I had $5 ready to go. So
And they track it by town.
yeah, they track it by town. So Violet Town actually never gets much because it's quite a small town. And yeah, so you're welcome, Violet Town. We just contributed, and hopefully you guys get some good
Hopefully you
numbers this year.
win. Are they going to win?
No.
Oh.
But we also might need to find some more coins, because if we see another one, we can't be like, no, we gave to Violet Town.
Okay.
No, we can't. I would give all my money to the Good Friday appeal. If you haven't donated to the Good Friday appeal, you absolutely should. So I was talking about Violet Town and how small the town was and how there was no violet in the town. And we have decided to call it Brown Town because just brown. And
I'm glad you explained that.
we always come through this town and it's like so late at night.
Poor Violet Town. Yeah, normally we come up to kangaroos up here, don't we?
Yeah, so I'll flip the camera around and I'll show you guys. Normally we're driving this like pretty late at night, and I'm generally asleep but start to wake up sort of around now. It's probably close to midnight, but as you can see it's daylight. It's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon and we have about 2 hours left of driving, so that's exciting. And yeah, Gibbo is on his second coffee. How are you feeling?
Yeah, feeling good. Feeling good. Are we going to bring them back on this video? Or
Yeah, we'll bring you guys back for more when we see you. So we're about half an hour away from my parents' house. These are the roads that we have to drive on to get to their house if we don't want to take the main roads. So it's always lots of fun if a car comes the other way, which we have shown I think before in some of our previous videos, maybe the one when we headed up to the Southern 80. Sorry about the bounciness. Gibbo is driving over all the bumps, so I can't hold the camera still. I have no skill at holding the camera. Here's a big bump. Sorry about that. Anyway, so yeah, we're nearly here and we're excited. We haven't killed each other yet. Gibbo's still driving. I've only driven 2.5 hours. Clearly I'm still tired. So yeah, thanks for watching and stay tuned for some content because we are going to try and get the paddleboard up and running and maybe take it out somewhere and we'll see how we go. Dad said he's going to lend us a pump, so stay tuned for that one because that will be funny. Anyway, have a good one and happy Easter everybody. We hope you have an amazing time with your family and friends and stay safe. Bye.
Bye.